Ever wonder why your blog doesn't get the traffic you think it should, or why your content marketing strategies are not delivering the results you expect? Let's delve into the world of blogging and content marketing to uncover the common struggles that many of us face. First up, generating traffic. It's a common misconception that if you build it, they will come. But in reality, attracting readers to your blog or viewers to your content is not an easy task. It requires a well-thought-out strategy, understanding your audience, and creating content that resonates with them. Next, consistency. This is a struggle that many bloggers and content marketers grapple with. You may start with a burst of energy, churning out content regularly, but maintaining that momentum over time can be challenging. Life happens, other tasks take precedence, and before you know it, your blog or content calendar starts gathering digital dust. Then there's the struggle of creating engaging content. It's not just about stringing together a bunch of words or images. Your content needs to be relevant, valuable, and interesting to your audience. It should spark conversations, evoke emotions, and inspire action. Lastly, let's talk about understanding SEO, or search engine optimization. SEO can be a complex beast with algorithms constantly evolving, but it's crucial in helping your blog or content get discovered. Without a good understanding of SEO, you may find your blog lost in the vast ocean of online content. These struggles are real and they can be frustrating, but remember, the journey of blogging and content marketing is not a sprint, but a marathon. It takes time, effort, and a lot of patience. You're not alone in this. Many bloggers and content marketers face these challenges. But don't let these struggles deter you. Instead, let them fuel your passion and drive your determination to succeed. After all, every challenge is an opportunity for growth. So let's embrace these struggles together and turn them into stepping stones to success. Before we dive into the solutions, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Also, check the description for our comprehensive guide ebook that will give you all the details you need for your blogging success journey. When you hit that like button, it tells us that you appreciate the content we're creating and we're on the right track. Subscribing to our channel ensures you won't miss out on any upcoming videos that could be the key to your blogging breakthrough. But your journey doesn't stop there. We've packed our guide ebook with valuable insights and strategies available in the description below. It's like having a roadmap to success in the world of blogging and content marketing. And don't forget to leave a comment. We love hearing your thoughts, questions, and success stories. Now let's transform your blogging and content marketing strategies for success. Blogging success doesn't happen overnight. It requires a well-planned strategy. Now let's break down the key steps to successful blogging. First things first, choosing the right niche. This step is crucial. Think about what you're passionate about, what you're knowledgeable in, and where you can provide value to others. Your niche should be a sweet spot where all these factors intersect. This is what will keep you motivated and allow you to produce insightful content that resonates with your audience. Next, understanding your audience. This is more than just knowing who they are. You need to delve deeper. What are their interests, their challenges, their aspirations? What kind of content do they consume? By understanding your audience, you can tailor your content to meet their needs, thereby increasing engagement and loyalty. Creating quality content is the third step. Content is king in the blogging world. It's not just about churning out posts, it's about providing value. Craft compelling, relevant, and valuable content that educates, entertains, or inspires your audience. Remember, your content is a reflection of you and your brand, so make it count. The fourth step is promoting your blog. You could have the best content in the world, but if no one sees it, it's like a tree falling in the forest with no one around. Use social media, email marketing, collaborations, guest blogging, and other strategies to get your content in front of as many eyes as possible. Finally, we have leveraging SEO. Search engine optimization is a powerful tool that can increase your blog's visibility and drive organic traffic. Use keywords, meta descriptions, and quality backlinks to improve your blog's SEO. It might seem complex at first, but with time and practice, it becomes second nature. In conclusion, the path to blogging success is paved with strategic steps. From choosing the right niche, understanding your audience, creating quality content, promoting your blog, to leveraging SEO, each step is crucial in its own right. Remember, consistency is key in blogging. Stay committed, keep learning, and never stop creating. Now let's turn to content marketing. A strategic approach will help you reach and engage more prospective customers. So what does it take to have a winning content marketing strategy? Well, it's not just about creating content and hoping for the best. It's about having a clear plan that starts with defining your goals. What are you hoping to achieve with your content? Do you want to increase traffic to your site, build your brand's reputation, or generate more leads? Having clear goals will guide your entire content marketing process. Next, you need to know your audience. Who are they? What are their needs, wants, and challenges? Understanding your audience will help you create content that resonates with them, content that they find valuable and engaging. Speaking of content, it's not enough to just produce content for the sake of it. Your content should provide value to your audience. It could be informative, entertaining, or inspiring. The key is to ensure that it's useful and relevant to your audience. And remember, quality trumps quantity every time. Now, once you've created your content, don't just sit back and wait for the magic to happen. You need to promote your content. Share it on your social media platforms, send it to your email list, use SEO strategies to make it easier to find. The more people see your content, the more potential customers you can reach. Finally, don't forget to analyze your results. This is how you'll know if your content marketing strategy is working. Look at your website analytics, social media engagement, and any other data you have. What's working, what's not? Use this information to refine your strategy and make it even better. Remember, content marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, effort, and a lot of trial and error. But with the right strategy, you can reach and engage more people, build your brand, and ultimately achieve your business goals. Effective content marketing is about delivering the right message to the right audience at the right time. And with these steps, you're well on your way to doing just that. So, what does it take to excel in blogging and content marketing? Let's take a moment to reflect on the key points we've delved into throughout this enlightening journey. Firstly, we addressed the common struggles that you may encounter in blogging and content marketing. From creating engaging content to attracting and maintaining an audience, these challenges are real, but they're not insurmountable. Remember, the first step to solving a problem is acknowledging that it exists. Next, we moved on to the fundamental steps that pave the road to blogging brilliance. It all starts with understanding your audience and crafting content that resonates with them. Use your unique voice and perspective to create content that is authentic and compelling. Dabble in various content formats and explore different blogging platforms to find what suits you best. And remember, quality always trumps quantity. In the third stage of our journey, we delved into the winning strategies of content marketing. These strategies are not one-size-fits-all, but are rather tailored to meet your specific goals. From utilizing SEO techniques to engaging with your audience through social media, these strategies can catapult your blog from obscurity to popularity. Then we emphasize the importance of consistency and strategic focus in your blogging and content marketing journey. A sporadic posting schedule or a lack of clear direction can derail your efforts. Therefore, it's crucial to maintain a consistent posting schedule and to continuously refine your strategies based on your performance metrics and audience feedback. Finally, let's not forget that blogging and content marketing is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, patience, and constant learning to truly excel. So don't be disheartened if you don't see immediate results. Instead, focus on your progress and celebrate every milestone, no matter how small. Follow these strategies and you are on your way to blogging brilliance and content marketing success. Remember, it's a journey, not a destination. And with that, we conclude our time together. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep creating.